Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Naked Cars. Here with my dad today. We got a very special event that we're doing today. We talked about it briefly in the very first episode that we did. Talking about my Uncle John that passed away recently, and we talked a little about the Corvette that my dad and him bought together, and we're about to do an unveiling of the Camaro that my dad owned at one point, drove it to school. My Uncle John actually bought it from him, drove it for a little bit, got a small little dent, and he freaked out, so he parked it in the garage. And it's been sitting there for quite a while. So
it's been sitting in this garage since 1993. I sold it to him in 1989. I originally bought it in 1988. He actually registered the car on Christmas Eve 1989, and drove it a couple years to UCLA, and parked it after that little fender bender, and here it is. So let's quit talking, let's get to it.
Absolutely. I'm excited.
It's a long time coming. Whew. You gotta get it out of here now. This is the fun part.
Yeah, exactly.
Careful with the dog covers for that. That's not staying, but that's what. I don't think the cover has been off of this car since 1993. Ta-da!
More.
Wow.
You're down through here. There you go.
We're gonna get all that off. See if we're close. That's all I care about.
You have it out of park.
Yeah.
So Chris, what's going on here?
We got a little problem.
What's the problem?
Pretty sure we got a brake drum that's locked up.
And the car's been...
Surprised me after sitting here since '93.
So the right rear is broken free.
Yeah, appears that way, and we're in neutral.
And
so
reservoir master cylinders were...
dry, so my guess is it all leaked right in here, and after a long time froze it up. Actually some tread left on those. That seems pretty... Let me go get a hammer.
1 hour later.
what's up everybody? Well, you just saw kind of the background story on the Project JPS Camaro. We talked about it a little bit in our very first video, but as we mentioned, it's a very important car, very special car to me, being that I owned it in 1988, sold it to my best friend, and unfortunately we lost him a little over a year ago. We had always planned on putting this car back together. We made build lists and part lists and plans to do it someday, and unfortunately someday never came. So as a tribute to him, my boys and my nephew and I are going to be putting this thing back together. We hope you'll stick around with us. We hope you'll follow along with the build. We've got some pretty exciting things planned. As you can see, motor and transmission are out at this point, and they're just off at the machine shop and the transmission shop getting worked on. So we're really looking forward to getting this thing going, get it back together, get some cool videos for you guys to watch. It'll be exciting. It'll be it's going to be tough for me emotionally, getting this thing running and hearing it run for the first time in 26 years without John here. But we're really looking forward to it. So do us a favor, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow along with us, and probably more important, post some comments. Let us know what you want to see. There's a lot of things that we're going to be going through on this car, and probably a lot of things that people would like to see us do. And also let us know what other cars you might like to see on future videos of Fast Cars Live. Again, thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.